back to my channel, and today I'm showing you my Play-Doh sweet shop. So before we're making Play-Doh food, but this time it's a Play-Doh sweet shop. So let's begin. So I have my white Play-Doh here. So first, let's make like a this tool. So let's begin. So I'm gonna put the clay on here. Wait. So here it is. Now let's start pushing it over here. There. Then here, it's like a little sausage. Okay. Wait, let's remove the excess. Alright guys. Now, tada! Oh, I forgot to tell you, I have a purple plate and a green plate. Just like my making Play-Doh food vlog. Now this time we'll make cookies because down here there's a shell, gingerbread, a butterfly, and the other one. I think we'll make a gingerbread first. That's pretty fun. Let's get a clay and put it. Wait, guys. There. Now over here. So let's see. Alright, now let's make our gingerbread. Now just press it because this is a mold. So here, I just removed the excess, and here's my gingerbread. So cool. Now let's put it over here in the plate. I think we'll make this kinds of thing. It's like big cookies, Now I'm gonna put it in the oven after. I think these are donuts. So mold. It's hard to press. Oh, here. Oopsie. So here, guys. Here's our donut. So cool. Now let's put it in the oven. It doesn't really actually have an oven, but this where I put my gingerbread, it has an oven. So we also have tools like this one. It's a pizza kind of thing. So I'm gonna use this to take it out of the oven because it will be too hot. Wait for a few minutes. While we're waiting for the donut, let's make 2 more donuts. then I hope it will be done soon after we make the donut. Press. Then we're also gonna put it in the oven. Okay, now here's our donut. Oh, and I think our other donut that we made first is done. So I'm gonna take it out. It looks so hot, but I'm gonna take it out slowly. So here's our donut. So this is the treats that I made. So now, let's put this in the oven. So, yeah, here's our donut. Now the third donut, which is the last one. Yeah, so let's make the third one. You have to press really hard. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Ooh, the donut looks like a real donut. Look guys, it's so cool. Now let's put it in the oven. While we're waiting for that, now let's cook one of the nicest parts first. The gummies. Look at all the delicious gummies. Now, let's try to bake them. First, this is a small one, so I'll make a strawberry gummy. That's just easy to make. The donut is done. Let's put it in a green plate because there's no space. This gummy too. Okay, now let's make another kind of gummy. Yeah. Let's make this gummy house over here. This. So it's so easy. Just simply press this. Now here's our gummy house. Okay. I'll put it over here. Now we'll make... First, let's make a seashell cookie. We got it. Seashell cookie. Isn't that cool? Look. Now let's do the next one, which is this and this. Or let's just do the peanut first. So here's our peanut. Now let's make a pretzel. Well, the pretzel turned out well. Now let's make the wafer. And the hot dog and the marshmallow and the two breads. Oh, and the candy, of course. So here's our wafer. It's a chocolate wafer like you normally eat, guys. Now let's start making the hot dog. It's just so easy to make. You only need a small amount of clay. Now here's our hot dog. Now let's make the two breads. First I'll light this bread. It's like this one is the Japanese bread or this one. Let's Here is it. Here it is. Put it in the green plate. Now we'll make this one. I think this is the Japanese bread. Yep, this looks like a little donut. Or maybe a shrimp. Now we'll make the marshmallow and the candy. That's the last one. Then guys, I forgot to tell you that there's two molders on the back. It's like, oopsie. Wait guys, be back in a second. Alright guys, I'm back. So now let's make a candy. So here's the candy. Now the last one, let's make a marshmallow. Only need a super small. Now the nice part here on the back. So we have, I think this is a lollipop and the star-shaped gun. So let's start making it. This lollipop looks like a swirly one. And now the star-shaped gun. So now I'm going to show you my creations. But there's some more leftover clay, so we'll just make it as some sprinkles. I'm just going to sprinkle it down. So even here in the green plate, right. Alright, now here's our creations, my creations. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comments down below too. And tell me what other videos you want next so I can make it for you. Hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. Bye!